Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel, Grow Rich, Grow Happy. Guys, we haven't talked about real world assets in a good while. Now, I've talked about Ondo here and there and a few others, but make no mistake, real world assets, that's a part of this narrative, this crypto cycle, big time. Big just like AI. Big just like AI. So I want to talk about that a little bit as I continue to make use of the Spectre AI dashboard. I want to jump over there and we're going to go to the real world asset sector because I believe it's some plays in there that you guys should not leave off your list. One of those plays, we're going to talk about XDC is one of them. I haven't talked about XDC in a long time, but I still feel like that's one you can make some money on. It's a very low market cap. Again, it's one of those crypto gems that those low market cap gems that I feel like a little money could have you smiling in the end. So I want to talk about that. I want to talk about where Ondo is, and we'll see what else the Spectre dashboard has over there and see. Let's just poke around a little bit. As always, guys, nothing that I discuss is financial advice of any kind, but I just want to put you guys in the mind frame to continue. Just because your wallet may not be up right now, that is no excuse not to still be on the prowl. You have to still keep that free thinking lion mentality, guys. Stay on the hunt. Stay on the hunt. And there's no time to be taking breaks and resting. We'll do that at the end of the bull run, at the end of the cycle, when things start to calm down, and then we could talk about the next phase in our generational wealth building, guys. So if all that sounds good to you, just stick around. It's going to get even better. I want to thank all of my returning subscribers. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. And you guys rock. You guys make it worth it, for joining in on my passion that I love. And whether you're in cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, or you're into it for the technology and what it's going to do for the world, or a little bit of both, you're in the right place. All right, guys, enough with my big mouth. Let's jump over here. And I'm back over in the dashboard. Okay, guys, now I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to jump over here, as you see right here, to this real world asset section. I'm going to see what they got to offer, guys. So as you notice right here, guys, we're looking at some of our top performers right here. And Ondo, as you can see, is in the top 100. You got Mantra, which is another good one. That's another good one. Pendle, and there go XDC right here. Let's jump, but before we jump to XDC, well, actually, we're going to jump to this one right here, guys, because I do like this price. I've seen it as low as 1 or 2 cents. I think this is a great, this is just pretty good, actually, to get you a few. This is not one you can buy everywhere, but let's just jump over here and check it out right quick, guys. Let's check over here and check it out. And I don't know if you noticed, but it's pretty quick with these searches over here. All right, so we can jump here. Where you can see it's done straight up. It's just straight made its move. I was actually thinking about accumulating some down here in the 2 cent range for a long time, and I thought too long on it because look where we are today. So it's still moving up. I still think it's time. I've been hearing rumblings that they are XDC is going to be put on an exchange is picking them up. That's been the rumblings I've been hearing. But let's look over here and check it out. For those of you new to it, this is the category: finance and banking, smart contract platform, Ethereum ecosystem, real world asset. Here we go. And you can get a little bit here. I'm not going to go over all that because I have done videos on XDC, and I'll probably put one at the end of this video. But it tells you a little bit right here. We're looking at price because I know that's all you guys care about. Where do I get it? And can I stand to make a buck? Yes, you can. I believe, not financial advice. So this is the basic info on it. And this is what I want to look at. I want to look at the sentiment. If you look at the sentiment here, and just to let you guys know, you can turn all of this off. And you can just look at the sentiment. This is the sentiment. And this is what I told you is so important in cryptocurrency. What do people think? So if you look here, it's really starting to rise. And I told you, when things are rising like that, it's always a reason. There is a reason things are going up like that. So this is no different. Then of course, then you can turn on, and I really dig this dashboard, guys. And you can turn on engagement. If you look at the engagement here, it really spiked back here. But we're gonna go down and look at their overall sentiment score of their tweet analysis is a 9, which is good because I told you guys, this is why I like the projects like DIA, because the people are behind it. So we're gonna come down. We're gonna say the current final sentiment score for XDC is 9.03, indicating a highly positive sentiment. This suggests that the community is optimistic about XDC's future prospects, and that is great. That is really good. Again, you don't want a project. I mean, just because the community is not too positive on a project doesn't necessarily mean that that project is a dud. It just sometimes that the community just don't know about it, or you know, enough people are not talking about it. So with this one, you don't have to worry about that. Again, it's only like 3 cents. Current happenings, they say XDC's recent price performance has been strong, showing a significant increase on October 29th. Guys, it's all the information is right here. This price action is backed by strong volume, suggesting genuine buying pressure. So I love that. And then they got their future plans. Guys, the recent XDC 2.0 upgrade is expected to bring significant improvements in terms of speed, scalability, and security. All of the things that you really want for a real-world asset, guys. You want something like that. This upgrade is a major catalyst for future growth as it opens up new possibilities for the XDC ecosystem. Sad thing about stuff like this, guys, a lot of people won't even pay attention to something like XDC until they get up to a 20 or 30 cent. You got an opportunity here, back here at 3 cents. Then they got their partner announcements right here. XDC is actively involved in various events and partnerships across the globe, showcasing its commitment to driving innovation and growth. This active participation in events such as Hong Kong FinTech Week and Global Further. Gentex Global further enhances the positive sentiment within the community. Potential catalyst, guys, is all right here. Oh, man. Okay. While the current trend is bullish, it is important to note that the price chart shows a possible reversal pattern, indicating potential price volatility in the near future. So it's basically telling you guys that the price could reverse, and it could come back down to maybe even here. But how long it will stay there, nobody knows. But I do like that this this Spectre AI dashboard is letting you know all of that. So for those of you out there like, I don't know if I should buy now or I don't know if I should wait, this is a good indicator. This is a great indicator. Actually, I got the favorite tweets right here. Wow. It tells a little bit about the tweets. Quality tweets. Now, it said in the Twitter sentiment with a score of 7.69 and market sentiment with a 7.2 both indicate strong positivity within the community. This suggests that XDC's recent events and developments are being well received. Conclusion. And this is what you really want right here. Overall, the data suggests that XDC is in a strong position with a positive community sentiment, recent price gains, and a roadmap that focuses on growth and innovation. However, traders should be aware of potential price volatility as the recent price action shows signs of reversal. Guys, I love this. I love this. But what do I think overall? I think XDC is one of those that you could possibly maybe get 40, 50 cent this cycle, depending on really how far and how fast the RWAs really move. I think they're going to do well, but I'm looking, you could possibly hit 30 to 50 cent, which is not bad considering where we are at 3 cents. So don't look at that price and say, well, that's nothing. Well, you're looking at a token between 2 and 3 cent, people. That's some paper. That's some nice money. You tell me that, you tell me you wouldn't want something like that. Okay, let me go back over here, and I want to jump back over here, and I messed that up. My mouse always screwing me. Let me go over here and look at one of my favorites, Ondo Finance, 72 cent, guys. My friend of mine who I just got into crypto, I actually got her into Ondo Finance in the 60 cent range. I think Ondo Finance is always going to be a good one. But let's see what Spectre AI says. Let's see what it says, guys. And look at this. It's just traveling. It's just traveling. For those of you wondering, Ondo Finance is one that's backed pretty much by, this is, what's the name? Not Grayscale. This is BlackRock's token. This is their token. Ondo Finance. Ondo is a DeFi primitive that enables users to originate risk-isolated fixed yield loans backed by yield-generating crypto assets. Now, this is one, guys, that this is a no-brainer to me. This one right here, Ondo, total supply 10 million, circulating supply a little bit over a million, almost at 1.5 million. Volume, they're doing 169 million in daily volume, guys. I just think these guys are a no-brainer. They are a no-brainer. You can find out everything you need to know about here. I've done videos on them. Their overall sentiment score is an 8, which I still think is amazing. It's amazing. So, guys, I want you to see that it's some, and we're going to look at a few others real quick. I don't want to make this long, but Ondo's another one. I'm just peeking in on it to see if they got any future plans. I know future plans are mentioned within the last 30 days of tweets. That's good to know. So you don't have to go through Twitter now and just go all through and just look for something that's positive, something you can highlight. You can just come in here and check it out. Potential price catalyst. The recent listing announcements and partnerships can act as positive price catalysts. Come down a little bit. And these are the influencer tweets. Okay. Conclusion. The final sentiment score for Ondo is 8.2, indicating a positive sentiment. The technical analysis shows positive momentum in a recent bullish reversal. The Twitter sentiment score is a 9.17, and the market sentiment is 7.20. These metrics indicate a bullish sentiment and suggest that Ondo may be poised for further growth in the near future. You notice it didn't say anything about reversal, guys. Price, recent performance, okay. And then we got our indicators here. Man, guys, look at this accumulation. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Check this out. So, all right, what we got here? Technical indicators, volume, okay. Oh, man, look at this, guys. So, again, I feel like this is one that you guys should be accumulating as well. Not financial advice, but I really like Ondo Finance. I'm always going to like Ondo Finance. This is one that I continue to DCA in it as well because these low prices right now, you're not going to keep seeing 72 cents. Mark my words. You're not going to keep seeing that. All-time high, $1.48. All-time low, 8 cents. I wouldn't mind getting it at 8 cents. I wouldn't mind doing that. For those of you who are wondering, you can get this, pick Ondo up anywhere. You can pick it up anywhere. These are the Ondo markets, but you can get it on Coinbase anywhere. This is one of those that has connections, guys. They are so in the green. Look at this. More details. Oh, man. So that's a good one, guys. I love the this sector, the RWA space. This is what I really like. Those of you out there looking for some RWA plays, you know, this is cool. Okay. We got a mantra at $1. Let me see, $1.37. Let's go over here and check them out real quick. Okay, where are we at? Market cap. So here, guys, these are 1 billion market cap, fully diluted, volume 70 million. I'm telling you, I see Ondo is really just going to outdo everybody. I truly believe that. And I'm curious about one thing here. What is the score? What is the score? What does this recent performance? Actually, I missed it. Let's go up here real quick. So they get a 7.8, guys. Let's check out their future plans, and you can learn. Feel free to learn all about these guys. For the interest of time, I don't want to go over that. I'm just giving you some that possibly could perform well. Let me see. Current happenings. Sentiment analysis reveals a positive outlook. The Twitter sentiment is an 8.2, indicating very strong positive sentiment on Twitter. The market sentiment score is 7.2, suggesting a positive market sentiment. Let's go down a little bit. Future plans. While there is a slight dip in price on the most recent data, the overall trend over the past month remains bullish. The momentum score is also high, further indicating strong upward movement. Additionally, the reversal signal is currently 0, suggesting no immediate signs of trend reversal. So that's good. That's good. No sign of that. So the price might have reached a point to where it's going to stay. Their all-time high is $1.61. They're not far off that, guys. And that was just hit. All-time low, 1 cent. About a year ago. So that's some nice growth. I see you can pick these up. These different places, Binance, Gate.io. I believe you can pick them up more places than this. Uniswap. Let me go down. Quality of tweets. Conclusion. And that's what we care about, right? Overall, the data suggests a positive outlook for them. Let me see. The project is experiencing strong momentum, supported by positive sentiment from both the market and Twitter. And I told you guys, Twitter moves the market. Key influencers are actively promoting the project. Yes, they are. Driving engagement and awareness. And again, look at that, guys. Look at that TA for all my TA folks out there. Look at that TA. Man, if this ain't a money maker. So, guys, that's all I'm going to talk about right now. I wanted to cover a few of the RWA plays that I haven't talked about in a while. I really foresee Ondo and XDC. Those are my favorites, but also Mantra 2. I foresee these guys are really going to, again, they're going to be some major movers here in the bull run. And as now you see, we got an indicator of when we're getting closer to that. But I really like, for all of my people out there that's trying to get into plays with just a little bit of money, I'm really liking all three. I'm liking all three. Of course, XDC is probably going to get you a lot more bang for the buck, because it's how many you hold. If you got a lot of a token, it raised up to 20, 30, 40, 50 cent. Lucky, if you're lucky, even more. But we're just going to leave it at that. You raise up to those prices, you're smiling. Everybody's smiling. Everybody's getting steak dinners. So you guys get you some RWA play, 1, 2. You don't need a whole bunch. You don't need all three. Just pick one that you feel like that your homework has deemed something that you wouldn't mind continuing the DCA in, and as we get closer and closer to that breakout, guys. That's what I'm saying. That's what I believe. Again, I'm DCAing into Ondo every week, it seems like. Till the next one, guys, it's your boy. I'm out.